निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनम बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। परिमाण संख्या, परिमाण, पृथक्त्व, संयोग, विभाग, सामान्य गुण। ये सामान्य, दीज आर सामान्य गुण। सीन टीका पदकृत्य शब्दत्व वारणाय कारणम, दिस वाज द लास्ट सेंटेंस। शब्दत्व वारणाय कारणम। शब्दत्व सीन लक्षण मान व्यवहार असाधारण कारणम परिमाणम। इट इज गिवन मान व्यवहार असाधारण कारणम परिमाणम। इफ कारणम इज नॉट गिवन, then what will happen? So मान व्यवहार असाधारण धर्म is also possible. धर्म, so that dharma, मान व्यवहार असाधारण धर्म is there in शब्दत्व is also असाधारण धर्म, and it is for प्रमाण व्यवहार। मान व्यवहार असाधारण धर्म is शब्दत्व और मान व्यवहारत्व, मान व्यवहारत्व is also असाधारण धर्म। Therefore karana is given, so that shabdatva, here they have given only shabdatva, but you can also understand man vyavaharatva. Both of them, they are all dharmas. To eliminate this dharma, karanam pada is given. Man vyavahara asadharana karanam parimanam. See, what is shabdatva? You can write down. व्यवहारो नाम शब्दत्व। व्यवहारो नाम शब्दत्व। इट इज ए व्यवहार। शब्दत्व इज ए व्यवहार। Okay, up to this. Now something little bit more thinking. In Moolam, see Navadravya Vritti. Navadravya Vritti or Sarvadravya Vritti. Parimana is Sarvadravya Vritti. That is done. Then Tat Chaturvidham. Parimanam is Chaturvidham. What are the four? अणु महत रस्व दीर्घ, दीर्घ रस्व, whatever. Now you see टीका चतुर्विधम अपि पर मध्य भेदेन द्विविधम। चतुर्विधम, हाँ म्यूट रखो आप। चतुर्विधम अपि पर मध्य भेदेन द्विविधम means like this. Para and madhya is another way of defining, and anu, mahat, rasva, dirgha is different way of defining. Okay, So now you will have combination. How? So first you write down better, because here that part is not given. परम अणु परम ह्रस्व, फर्स्ट कैटेगरी. परम अणु परम ह्रस्व. सेकंड कैटेगरी नो, परम महत्व परम दीर्घत्व. थर्ड मध्यम अणु मध्य ह्रस्व. You can do that also. मध्य अणु मध्य ह्रस्व is second. परम महत परम दीर्घ third, and then fourth मध्यम महत मध्यम दीर्घ. In other words, अणु and ह्रस्व will go together. Which two will go together? अणु ह्रस्व will go together. Which other two will go together? Mahat Dirgha. Big and long is together. Small and short is together. Anu Hrasva. Mahat Dirgha. Okay. Now if there is Param here, so you have Param Anu, Param Hrasva. And you have Param here, Param Mahat, Param Dirgha. Then you have Madhyam, Madhyam Anu, Madhyam Hrasva. And here Madhyam Mahat, Madhyam Dirgha. Now you see Tika. Tatra Parmanu Hrasvatve, Parmanu Manasoho. तत्र परमाणु ह्रस्वत्वे परमाणु मनसो हो. परमाणु मनसो हो किम? परमाणु ह्रस्वत्वे is what? No, this shabda. Forget anything else. Only this shabda. परमाणु ह्रस्वत्वे is what?
Parmanu is hrasva. The combination of paramanu and paramarasva.
हाँ, परम अणु परम ह्रस्व. So it is a dvivachan if you take only pada. See, when you study Vyakaran, you have to understand what is this pada. This pada is dvivachanam. Parama anu hrasvatve means parama anushcha or parama anu cha parama hrasva. Iti parama anu hrasvatve. जैसे वनम. वनम द्विवचनम is what? Vane. Two forests. So if I say Himalayan forest and Bengal forest, let us say. Bengal forest, Bengal tigers are there. So two forests. Vanadvayam is dve vane. So here Paramanu Paramahrasvatve, these two, this Paramanu Paramahrasvatve, Paramanu Manasoho. What is the next word? You have to complete the Vakya. Paramanu Manasoho. No. What is that? What were you saying? Well, you have to complete the Vakya. This is already given. After that, what is there? You have to complete the sentence. Parimanam. This is Parimanam. Paramanu Hrasvatve Paramanu Manasoho Parimanam. Means what? Of the Paramanu and of the Manaha. What is the Parimanam? Paramanu Paramahrasva. You understood what I said? Or you are... What did I say? Tell me.
You said that Paramanu.
First you understand what I said, then you ask the question. Paramanu Manasoho, of the Paramanu and of the mind. What are we talking here? Parimanam. Parimanam Parama Anu Parama Hrasva. Okay. What is the question?
This Paramanu is it Eka? Is it Eka or Anika?
Eka.
Means in everything Paramanu is only one.
No. Each will have its...
Then only Eka.
No, here we are taking one. In this context, one Paramanu means Anu and Hrasva. That which is Anu and that which is Hrasva. Parama Anu and Parama Hrasva is the size of Paramanu and mind. Paramanu Manasoho.
So we should take like in each entity there is one Paramanu, but in every entity the Paramanu is
जल है जल परमाणु, वायु है वायु परमाणु.
So even though they say Eka, it is like different from
नहीं, एकम मीन्स
it is only one.
नो ओनली वन वेयर.
In each entity it is one.
Good.
What is it meant by Eka?
Ekam, see, in this how many Parmanus are there? So many. हाँ,
Then what does Eka mean?
एकत्व is where?
Dvanitva in Paramanu we say it's Eka.
Means, okay, one Parmanu is Eka. If two Parmanus come together, it will become Dvyanuka.
So, but single Paramanu will never exist.
Single Parmanu you will never be able to experience, but collection of Parmanu together will be objects. So Parmanu Hrasvatve Parmanu Manasoho Parimanam. Madhyama Anu Hrasvatve Dvyanuke. Means Madhyama Anu Madhyama Hrasva. Madhyama Anu Madhyama Hrasva is what? हाँ, यदि परिमाणम इन द्व्याणुक, द्व्याणुके मध्यम ह्रस्व मध्यम अणु मध्यम ह्रस्व परिमाणम. See, this Paramanu Manasoho, what is the vibhakti?
Shishti.
Read properly and tell me. Read that whole line, not only that word, and then tell me. I will tell you how to read now. Dvyanuke is which vibhakti? गगनादौ इज विच विभक्ति?
सप्तमी.
घटादौ इज विच विभक्ति?
सप्तमी.
देन परमाणु मनसोः विल बी विच विभक्ति?
सप्तमी.
द्विवचन.
द्विवचन.
So all of them are showing in that this is the parimanam. In this is the parimanam. In parmanu and in manah, this is the parimanam. In dvyanuka, this is the parimanam. In gagana, what is the parimanam? Parama mahatva, dirghatva. Means parama mahatva, parama dirghatva. So how many categories we have completed? See. Look here. One is the smallest. What is the smallest? Anu. Anu you call or Paramanu. Okay, so there the size is Parama Anu, Parama Hrasva. Okay. Then Dvyanuka. Dvyanuka is just above it. What is the size? Madhyama Anu, Madhyama Hrasva. Okay. Now highest.
Paramahat, Param
Gagana. What is it? Param Mahat, Param Dirgha. Okay. Now between this Dvyanuka and the highest, what is remaining? Madhyama Mahat, Madhyama Dirgha. Everything else, the rest of the entire creation is Madhyama Mahat, Madhyama Dirgha. Starting from where? No. Starting from where? No, Akasha is already covered in Parama. Tryanuka. Starting from Tryanuka. Tryanuka onwards, everything until just below Akash. Just below Akash. Akash -1. Up to that is everything Madhyam Mahat, Madhyam Dirgha. So whole world is covered. What I want to explain is entire Brahmanda is covered in their 4 categories. Paramanu Hrasva is all Paramanu and mind. Mind means that which is not Vibhu is covered there. Anything that is Vibhu is where? Parama Mahat, Parama Dirgha. What all things are Vibhu? Akasha, Kala, Dik, Atma, not Mana. Mana is already covered. सतर्कता भी चाहिए इसके लिए. तो अणु इज कवर्ड, मन इज कवर्ड हियर, आकाश काल दिग आत्मा दे आर कवर्ड हियर. ठीक है. अणु मीन्स अणु ऑफ पृथ्वी जल तेज वायु, देयर ऑल अणु आर कवर्ड हियर. दिस इज कवर्ड हियर. देन ऑल द्व्यणुका दे विल बी मध्यम अणु, मध्यम ह्रस्व, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड मध्यम महत, मध्यम दीर्घ.
So what is it? Dvyanukas? उसका example क्या है?
Dvyanuka is Dvyanuka.
What are they?
There is no two anu coming together is called Dvyanuka. दो अणु.
उनका विषय क्या है? विषय क्या है? अणु only दो अणु, two अणु.
Two anu coming
विषय
together.
क्या है?
बस that much. Further, एतन मौक्तिक मणि, मौक्तिक मणि इति, मणविति, मौक्तिक एतन मौक्तिकम अणु इति व्यवहारस्य अपकृष्ट महत्वाश्रयत्वात् गौणत्वं बोध्यम. Let us say somebody has a big Rudraksha, okay, and somebody is wearing a small mani. So in Laukika, what will people say? एतन मौक्तिकम अणु, ये तो बहुत छोटा है, दैट इज अणु. इति व्यवहारस्य, दिस काइंड ऑफ व्यवहार अपकृष्ट महत्व आश्रयत्वात्. This is gauna prayoga, gaunatvam bodhyam. Why? Apakrishta mahatva. Actually, it is supposed to be, where will actually this mauktika, means this small moti, mauktika means belonging to moti, pearl. This pearl, where will it belong actually? Madhyam mahat, madhyam dirgha. Okay? But compared to that other bigger thing, there people think this is a param mahat, param dirgha. Compared to that, this is anu. Really, it is not anu. Means it is a gauna prayog. In the vyavahara, if somebody says, oh, this is atomic, ये तो छोटू है, तो it is not atomic. It is madhyama anu, madhyam mahat, madhyam dirgha. Anything that you can see is always going to be madhyam mahat, madhyam dirgha. Can you see akashadi? Akasha, kala, dik and atma cannot be seen. And parmanu cannot be seen. Dvyanuka cannot be seen. So whatever can be seen will be what? No, madhyam what? Madhyam mahat, madhyam dirgha. Any, if you can see, it is madhyam mahat, madhyam dirgha directly.
Swamiji, but Prithvi, Jal, Teja, Vayu, the Anu, Parmanu of that
Cannot be seen.
We should not say we can see Prithvi, Jal, Vayu.
No, you cannot see Parmanu. You can see their Trianuk. Similarly, another Gauna Prayog is given. Evam eva Ketanat Vyajanam Hraswam iti atrapi Nikrishta Dirghatvat Gaunatvam. This is also Gauna Prayog. What is that? Ketanat Vyajanam. Ketana is what, you know? Have you gone to this Swami Shivanandaji's kutia here? इधर गए हो? अभी गए? गंगा किनारे, हाँ, गए हो? उधर ऊपर एक पंखा लगाया है. कुछ देखा है? खाली बाहर से देखा. सब देखना चाहिए. वो पंखा ऐसा पंखा नहीं है, वो हिलेगा ऐसा पंखा, बड़ा है. राजाओं के लिए ऐसा पंखा रहता था पहले. वो रस्सी खींचेंगे तो हवा लगे. हाँ. और छोटे लोग कैसा पंखा ऐसा हाथ से हिलाते हैं, उसको व्यजनम समझो. और बड़ा पंखा है वो केतनम. तो एक बड़ा है, उसका इसके सामने ये, दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल कंपेयर टू दैट बिग वन. केतनात् व्यजनम ह्रस्वम. केतनात् compared to the big fan, व्यजनम, that small fan which you use, ह्रस्वम छोटू है, इसमें क्या हवा आएगी कोई somebody से. तो actually it is not ह्रस्व, because it is still madhyama mahat, madhyama dirgha only. Comparatively nikrishta dirghatvat. So you are saying it is of smaller dirghatva and smaller mahatva. That's why it is said anu or hrasvam.
Ketanam is also going down.
Another meaning of ketana is what one is, which one you say?
Ketanam also go in Gamanam.
Ketanam can go in gamanam. Ketana actually means forest also. No,
Kriya, karma, which karma will it fall?
ketanam is fan actually, but moving
Movement,
is gamanam. You can put.
Swamiji said something else. Ketanam is forest.
Ketanam can be actually, ketana is lion. Lion is called ketana. हाँ
फ्लैग, मंदिर में जो फ्लैग लगता है, फ्लैग लगाते हैं मंदिर का।
फ्लैग, हाँ, दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड केतनम. Raja also has a big flag. Vyajanam can be a smaller, anything small. Further now, पृथक्त्वस्य किं लक्षणं? पृथक् व्यवहारा साधारण कारणं पृथक्त्वम् सर्वद्रव्यवृत्ति. So पृथक्त्व now. पृथक् व्यवहार असाधारण कारणम इज पृथक्त्वम. देखो हाउ इट इज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन दी पदकृत्यम. अयम अस्मात् पृथक् इति यो व्यवहारः. अयम अस्मात् पृथक्, अयम अस्मात् पृथक् इति यो व्यवहारः तस्य कारणं पृथक्त्वम. सो देयर इज वन पृथक्त्व गुण इन ईच थिंग. एवरीथिंग विल हैव संख्या, परिमाण, पृथक्त्व, संयोग, विभाग. एवरीथिंग हैज पृथक्त्व. नाउ यू सी दिस थिंग आर नॉट एनालाइज्ड बाय वेदांति. वेदांता डजंट एनालाइज दिस. वेदांता's मुख्य विषय इज आत्मा. देयर मुख्य विषय इज पदार्थ, प्रमेय. तस्य कारणं पृथक्त्वं, तस्य व्यवहारस्य कारणं पृथक्त्वं. दंडादि वारणाय पृथक् इत्यादि. दंडादि वारणाय. सो इफ इट वाज सेड पृथक् व्यवहार, इफ इट वाज सेड असाधारण कारणं पृथक्त्वं, देन अतिव्याप्ति वुड गो इन दंडादि, बिकॉज दंड इज ऑल्सो असाधारण कारणं और व्यवहार असाधारण कारण. बट पृथक्त्व, पृथक व्यवहार, पृथक मीन्स टू डिस्टिंग्विश वन फ्रॉम द अदर. दिस इज पॉसिबल ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ पृथक्त्व. व्हाट इज पृथक्त्व? गुण. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड पृथक व्यवहार असाधारण कारण मीन्स गुणत्वे सति पृथक व्यवहार असाधारण कारण. तो गुणत्व also you have to understand. Huh? Then why asadharan karanam? So now asadharan karanas are also 9. You write down the shloka. ईशस्तज्ञानयत्नेच्छाः, ईशस्तज्ञान यत्नेच्छाः, कालो दृष्टं दिगेव च, कालो दृष्टं दिगेव च. प्राक् प्रतिबंधका भावौ, प्राक् प्रतिबंधका भावौ, कार्ये साधारणा मताः, कार्ये साधारणा मताः. ईशः तज्ज्ञान यत्न इच्छा मीन्स ईश्वर हिज ज्ञान, हिज यत्न एंड हिज इच्छा. भगवान ज्ञान, भगवान यत्न, भगवान इच्छा. सो टोटल 4. ईशः तज्ज्ञान यत्न इच्छा. Then कालः, 5th one. अदृष्टम. अदृष्टम मीन्स पुण्यापुण्य, धर्माधर्म जन्य पुण्यापुण्य. अदृष्टम. दिक् मीन्स डायरेक्शन, दिगेव च. एंड प्राग भाव प्रतिबंधक अभाव, प्राग भाव एंड प्रतिबंधक अभाव कार्य साधारणमतः, दे आर दी साधारण कारण फॉर एनी कार्य. So first line is easy. Kala, Isha, you know Ishvara, Ishvara Jnana. Ishvara is sadharana karana. Without Ishvara, nothing will happen. Ishvara Jnana is sadharana karana. Ishvara will always have Jnanam of whatever you do. So let us say I am creating this pot. Bhagavan knows or not that I am creating Ghata. So Isha Jnana is there. Ishvara Yatna. What is Ishvara Yatna here? Ishvara's Yatna is to make it possible. Whatever is happening is to provide everything else. So if I need this, sun has to rise, everything else has to happen. That is Ishvara Yatna. Ichha. Ishvara Ichha to chahiye. If Ishvara Ichha is not there, nothing will happen. That's what we say. भगवान की इच्छा के बिना यहाँ कुछ नहीं होगा. कालः, काल इज रिक्वायर्ड, काल इज साधारण कारण फॉर एवरीथिंग. अदृष्टम, सो वी सॉ some everybody is adrishtam, like in pushpa these small dyanuka and tryanukas are all coming out when the fragrance comes. So how are they put together again? Adrishta, adrishta is there. Dik evacha, and dik directions. How many sadharan karana are there in the first line? 7. Okay, then now the next two you have to understand. Let us say this ghata. When this ghata is not there, then which abhava is there of ghata? Pragabhava. Ghatasya pragabhava. Okay, when pragabhava is there, ghata is there. When pragabhava is there, ghata is not there. Okay, so pragabhava of anything is sadharana karana for that thing. What is the definition of karana? You know, karana, karya niyata purva vritti. It will come, but you note down if you want to. It will come later. कार्य नियत पूर्व वृत्तित्वम कारणत्वम, that which has to be present just before the effect comes into being. So just before ghata is created, what is there? Ghata pragabhava. So ghata pragabhava is niyata. Niyata, what is the meaning I gave? नियमित रूप से, नियमित रूपेण, रेगुलरली, इनवेरिएबली प्रागभाव will be there of ghata. So now I create ghata. When ghata is created, what is destroyed? Ghata pragabhav is destroyed when ghata is created. When ghata is created, pragabhav is not there. Okay, all other karanas are there. Ishvara is there, tajnana, yatna, ichha, kala, adrishtam, dik is there, kulala is there, danda chakra is there, mitti is there, mrittika is there, everything is there. This ghata, why it is not produced again? But Kala is there.
Kala is there, but different kalas.
Huh, so what? Huh? Anybody on the phone? Online?
परमाणु बदल जाए
No, no, no. Next person.
कार्य नित्य पूर्व
Prag Abhav is not there. This Ghatas Prag Abhav is not there. If Prag Abhav is not there, that thing cannot be created, because Prag Abhav is required for a thing to come into existence.
Swamiji, Prag
First you understand what I am saying. If Ghata is created, Ghata Prag Abhav is destroyed. If Ghata Prag Abhav is not there, Sadharan Karana is Prag Abhava. So if Prag Abhava is not there, Ghata will not be created. This is the point.
घट is there.
No, Ghata is there, so Prag Abhava is not there. Sadharan Karana is Prag Abhava. If Prag Abhava is not there, Sadharan Karana is not there. Sadharan Karana is not there, Karya will not be there. This is the meaning. One.
Prag Abhava is not there. It means Ghata is already existing, right?
Yeah. My question you didn't understand. My question was, all other Sadharana Karanas are there. Asadharana Karana is also there. Kulala is there, Danda, Chakra, everything is there. Why this spot is not created again? This was the question. So when I ask question, you pay attention. When I give the answer, then also you pay attention. Now next thing you see, Pratibandhaka Abhava. What is Pratibandhaka? Pratibandhaka, I will give you another example. Agni, fire is there. Agni's karyam is what? Daha. Agni will create burning. Agni Daha. Agni Daha will happen if there is no Pratibandhaka. Pratibandhaka, there is some Chandrakant Mani, they call. There is a Mani called Chandrakant Mani. If Chandrakant Mani is there and fire is there, fire will be cool only. It will not give Daha. So if Pratibandhaka is there, Chandrakant Mani is called something which is Pratibandhaka. Like in chemistry we have, there is something which will not allow the reaction to take place. And then you have catalyst which will speed up the reaction, like that, something. So Pratibandhaka which will stop the work. Like construction is going on, heavy rain is there. Or yesterday Bhagwan Shankaracharya ji's Anavaranam was supposed to happen in Omkareshwar. But Pratibandhaka came, rain. Then postponed. So Pratibandhaka Abhav will allow the karya to happen. Similarly, cricket match also Pratibandhaka can be there. So these are 9 Sadharana Karana. Chant this shloka together. Ishas
जानयते च तिष्ठन्ति एव च साधारणामता
प्राक् प्रतिबंधका भावौ कार्ये साधारणामताः. This shloka you have to memorize. Now you go back to so Padakritya, you see time is almost over. What was the line we were seeing? The Kaladi Varanaya Asadharana iti. So because there are so many sadharana karana, to eliminate all sadharana karana, asadharana karana shabda is given. And पृथक व्यवहारत्व वारणाय कारणम. पृथक व्यवहारत्व, like in the previous one I told you, शब्दत्व और मान व्यवहारत्व वारणाय कारणम. In the same way here also, पृथक व्यवहारत्व वारणाय शब्दत्व वारणाय कारणम. Understood? ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.